Hindi lang po categorically denying yung binabatong putik sa atin at para dumihan ang ating pangalan. May resibo po tayo, madaling verifikahin. Tayo po ay more than willing mag-undergo at sumali sa anumang investigasyon sapagkat wala po tayong tinatago. Ngunit ang hiling ko, Mr. President, atin pong alamin at siguruhin na may ebidensya yung ating mga sinasabing sangkot dito. At sa mga susunod na pagdinig, bibigay ko po lahat ng aking nalalaman. Wala din po akong sasantuhin gaya ng sinasabi ko noon pa. At Mr. President, I will never betray my principle. I will never, ever, Mr. President, destroy the name that was given to me by my parents, Mr. President, because it's priceless, Mr. President. The Bible says a good name should be chosen than great riches. Pinalaki po ako ng magulang ko na naniniwala ako sa langit at impyerno. Pinalaki po ako ng magulang ko na naniniwala ako that when you die here on earth, you will face your Creator and immediately into judgment. Pinalaki po ako ng magulang ko na sa impyerno, wala pong graduation. Kahit 1 bilyong taon, kahit 1 trilyong taon, pag ikaw ay nagkasala, pag ikaw ay pinarusahan ng Diyos, wala pong graduation doon. Mr. President, my duty has always been to serve our kababayans, lalong-lalo na po ang mga kababayan kong Bulakenyo who suffer from flooding year after year. And that is where my focus remains, Mr. President, finding real solutions, not engaging in black propaganda. Mr. President, I will not be distracted by lies. And instead, I affirm my commitment to the work that truly matters, serving our people with honesty and integrity. Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo.